Hello students, this discussion is for class 4 students and the subject is science. The topic is teeth structure and digestion. So students open chapter 6 page number 41 from your science book. In the last class we have discussed about the importance of teeth and the different types of teeth that we get during our different stages of lifetime or different times of our life. So now we will discuss about the parts of a tooth. We will discuss about the structure of a tooth. So let's start. A tooth is basically made up of two parts, the crown and the root. The crown is the part of tooth that you see when you smile or open your mouth above the gum. The root is a part of the tooth which is below the gum and cannot be seen. The region between the crown and the root is called the neck. Our tooth is covered by different layers. The crown is covered with enamel. Enamel is the tough substance that protects the tooth from wear and tear of chewing. It gives the teeth its whitish color. In the box below, where it is written true fact, you can also see that enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Below the enamel is the dentine. It is the yellow bone-like material that is softer than enamel. Inside the dentine is pulp. Pulp is a soft layer which has nerves and blood vessels. The tooth gets nourishment from the pulp and also sends messages to the brain through nerves. So from this section we can know about the basic structure of a tooth. So from the outer side we can see that three parts are there of a tooth, and these three parts are the crown, the neck and the root. The crown is the uppermost layer of a tooth which is white in color, and when you smile or open your mouth, the portion of a tooth that we can see is the crown. The portion of a tooth that remains inside the gum is called the root. This portion we cannot see because this remains inside the gums, and there is a particular region just between the crown and the root that is called the neck. So this was the outer part or outer structure of a tooth. Now what are inside the tooth? So to discuss about the inner structure of the tooth, you can see here in this picture that inside the tooth three different layers are there. The first layer is of enamel, second layer is called the dentine, and the third layer is called the pulp. The crown is covered by the enamel. You have seen that enamel is the hardest substance of our body. This is very hard, white in color. Enamel gives our tooth its white color, and enamel is very hard. This is why, and this is how it is. It protects our teeth from any kind of hard food or anything else uh, from the tear of chewing. The layer next to the enamel is called the dentine. Dentine is not too hard and it is also not too soft, but it is softer than enamel. The color of dentine is yellowish. The layer next to the dentine is called the pulp. Pulp is a soft layer and it is connected or attached to nerves and blood vessels. Through these nerves and blood vessels, messages are sent to the brain from the tooth that whether we have eaten something hot or something very cold, or whether we have eaten something very hard or soft, all kinds of messages that are received through the teeth are sent to the brain through these nerves that are connected with the pulp portion. So this was the basic structure of a tooth. Here in this picture you can also see that the parts of a tooth are indicated properly. that is the upper portion, that is the white portion, the hard portion of a tooth that we can see when we open our mouth is called the crown. The portion which remains inside the gum that we cannot see is called the root, and the region between the crown and the root is called the nape. And if we look inside the tooth, we can see three prominent layers called enamel, dentine, and pulp. Enamel is the outermost layer which is white in color, which gives the tooth its white color. It protects the crown from tear of any food or from any kind of breakage. It protects the crown. The layer next to the enamel is called the dentine, and it is not white in color. The color is yellowish. Dentine is little bit softer than enamel, and the layer next to the dentine is called the pulp. Pulp is a soft layer and it is the innermost layer of a tooth. Pulp is connected or attached to some nerves and blood vessels, and the messages from the tooth are sent to the brain through these nerves. The messages may be we have eaten something too hot, we have eaten something very cold, or something very hard. Some food can be very hard or very soft. Whatever the message is, that message is sent to the brain through these nerves. So this is the basic structure of a tooth. I hope you have understood it properly. If you have any problem from this section, you can ask me in your online classes.